See? Come on, look. Ga-harvest na tayo. Look at this. See? And look at this. Siguro mga 2 days pa. But this one, i-harvest na natin. This one, maliit pa. But this one, I think okay na siya. Dito na lang siya. Okay? Let's go. Ayan. Fresh from the farm. Bukas, ulamin ko to sa morning. Look at this. O, diba? Wait. One more. Here. See? We have